In this segment, we're going to review how to mount all the devices. I'm going to start off with the door contacts. And one of the first things you want to do is make sure the door is fully secure. So you want to close the door and lock it. And we have the transmitters here. These have this double back tape on them, so there's no mounting screws. One of the first things you want to do is, since we're using double back tape, is want to make sure that we're using a clean and dry surface. What I kind of recommend is you have a glass cleaner, has a little alcohol wipe. And just lightly take off any dust or grease marks. We're going to start with the magnet. Peel off the double back tape, and right up to the edge of the door, right on the edge, we're going to place this magnet as straight and lined up with the door itself as much as possible. The second thing would be to mount the transmitter. And before I pull this double back tape and mount this, one of the questions that we always get asked is, how much space in between the transmitter and the magnet do you need? And we recommend about 3/8 to a quarter of an inch gap in between there. And an easy trick is we supply a little screwdriver in every kit. Just line this up on the magnet and it'll stick there into place. Take your transmitter, slide it right up to it's just touching that magnet, and then press and hold for about 20 seconds on the transmitter. This should be enough time to allow the double back tape to adhere right to the door. And then at that point you can go ahead and slide this screwdriver out. Now if you take a look, you have a perfectly straight gap in between there, and this door is complete and ready for security. On our next door, this happens to be a sliding glass door, and just like the other door, we want to make sure that it's fully secure and locked. And I'm going to use that same wipe that I started with on the first door and clean the top and bottom off. Instead of mounting it on the sides, on this particular door, we're going to mount on the top. We're going to start with the magnet first. Press and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds. On this transmitter, there's a tab here, and this was for the battery, so that it's not draining the battery. We're going to pull this tab to activate this contact. On the back side, I'm going to remove the double back tape. I'm going to use my screwdriver as a gap and align this transmitter right up with the magnet. Pull my screwdriver away, hold this for about 15 to 20 seconds, and to confirm that it's working properly, when I open the door, we should hear a door chime go off. And I heard the door chime go off and reclose it, and this door is secured, ready to go.